AI is coming to your industry if it isn't already here, but AI needs a lot of space and computing power. So how do you compete without cost spiraling? Upgrade to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure or OCI. OCI is the blazing fast and secure platform for your infrastructure needs, database, application development, and AI workloads. Right now, Oracle is offering to cut your current cloud bill in half if you move to OCI for new U.S. customers with minimum financial commitment. Offer ends 12/31/24. See if your company qualifies at oracle.com/DCR. It's 8 a.m. Eastern, December 23rd, and this is your daily crypto report. Bitcoin is down slightly at $95,780. ETH is up slightly at $3,333. XRP up slightly at $2.20. We've covered the prediction markets here on DCR. Do you think you know who will win the presidential election or how many seats the Democrats or Republicans will win in the House or Senate? Well, there's finally a legal way to bet on the outcome of those elections through Kalshi. Kalshi is the first legal exchange where you can bet on any event, including this year's elections. Kalshi went to court and won legal approval for election betting for the first time in over 100 years. They have markets on who will win the presidential election, on who will control the House and Senate, who will win swing states, and more. Kalshi is already being used by hundreds of thousands of people and is facilitated over $1 billion worth of trades. For example, right now Trump is trading ahead of Harris, and if you take that trade, you'll nearly double your money if he wins on the 5th. Or take the other side and more than double your money. So put your money where your mouth is and sign up at kalshi.com/DCR. The first 500 traders who deposit $100 will get a free $20 credit. That's kalshi.com/DCR.
Ryan Reynolds here for Mint Mobile. One of the perks about having 4 kids that you know about is actually getting a direct line to the big man up north. And this year, he wants you to know the best gift that you can give someone is the gift of Mint Mobile's unlimited wireless for $15 a month. Now, you don't even need to wrap it. Give it a try at mintmobile.com/switch.
$45 upfront payment required, equivalent to $15 per month. New customers on first 3-month plan only. Taxes and fees extra. Speed slower above 40 gigabytes on unlimited. See mintmobile.com for details.
Well, MetaPlanet has purchased 619 BTC for $61 million at an average price of just over $97,000 per Bitcoin, raising its total holdings to 1,761 BTC worth $167 million. The latest buy follows last week's $61 million raised through bond issuance to accelerate Bitcoin acquisitions. Since adopting Bitcoin as a treasury reserve in May, MetaPlanet has been on a buying spree. Its stock is up nearly 2,000% this year. Frax Finance may use BlackRock's BUIDL token as a reserve asset for its revamped Frax USD stablecoin if a proposal by Securitized Markets passes. The BUIDL token, tied to a BlackRock money market fund managing over $530 million in U.S. Treasury bills, would reduce counterparty risk and boost utility for Frax USD. Frax DAO members have shown strong support for the proposal. The upcoming Frax USD will include a yield-bearing version called Staked Frax USD and enable fiat conversions via Paxos. A new mint redeem system will allow KYC-approved entities to mint Frax USD directly with approved assets like BUIDL pending governance approval. Separately, tokenized fund platform Superstate proposed using its USTB Treasury bills and USCC crypto carry fund as additional backing for Frax USD, seeking up to $120 million in allocations. Frax founder Sam Kazemian noted both BlackRock and Superstate could provide strong reserve options for Frax USD. Unichain, a DeFi-focused Layer 2 built on the OP stack by Uniswap, is set to launch its public mainnet in early 2025. The network has been tested on Ethereum's Sepolia testnet, handling over 50 million transactions with 99% uptime since October. Starting in 2025, Sepolia will undergo maintenance to activate permissionless fault proofs, which will be integrated at mainnet launch. These proofs enhance security by allowing participants to verify blockchain states and challenge invalid withdrawals. After launch, users can bridge funds and use Unichain applications. Planned features include flash blocks for 250 millisecond block times and the Unichain validation network for decentralized state validation. The Rollup Boost platform from Flashbots will also secure block building. Unichain will join Optimism's Superchain ecosystem with Uniswap Labs as a key contributor. And finally, Donald Trump appointed Hines, a 29-year-old former college football player and 2022 GOP House candidate, as executive director of the Presidential Council of Advisors for Digital Assets, or Crypto Council. Hines will work with David Sachs to promote innovation and growth in the digital assets industry. Hines previously received campaign funding from pro-crypto PACs, including contributions tied to former FTX executive Ryan Salame. Trump also named Stephen Moran, a former Treasury official, to chair the Council of Economic Advisors. Moran has criticized financial regulations for stifling innovation in crypto. That's all for us today. Visit us at dailycryptoreport.io and listen to us everywhere else you podcast under Daily Crypto Report.
I did consider Barney a friend, and he's still a friend to this day.
The idea of Barney is something that I want to live up to. You know, I love you, you love me. I call it the purple mantra.
Barney taught me how to be a man.
Generation Barney, a podcast about the media we loved as kids and how it shapes us. Listen wherever you get your podcasts.
From Academy Award-winning actor Matthew McConaughey's soulful and humorous picture book to New York Times bestselling author Kristen Hanna's The Women, Moms Don't Have Time to Read Books is an author interview podcast unlike any other. In 30 minutes or less, each episode of this chart-topping and Webby Award-winning show dives deep beneath the cover, fostering friendship and camaraderie, support and curiosity, connection and compassion. Hosted by me, Zibby Owens, author, bookstore owner, and head of what the LA Times called the Zibbyverse, Moms Don't Have Time to Read Books has something for everyone, whether you're a mom like me or simply a busy reader. So don't miss out. Follow Moms Don't Have Time to Read Books on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you're listening now. New episodes are released every weekday, bringing books to life.